Hi everyone, it's Giorgia here and welcome to Be Colorful. This is a bonus video for the Tonic Kraft Kit 44. In this video I'm going to create 3 tags to combine with 3 cards that I have created using the products included in the kit. For the video of the creation of these 3 cards, I leave you the link right above and down below in the description box. To edit faster for this video, I didn't put my voiceover. I hope you like it as well and that you understand. The tags are very easy to make and moreover the process is very similar to that of the card, only they have a different shape. So sit back and relax and enjoy my video. See you at the end! And this was really the last video dedicated to the Tonic Kraft Kit 44. I have already started the next kit, with which I'm creating a lot of boxes, going a little beyond the style of the kit. I'm having a lot of fun creating them, and I hope you will like them. Also, tell me if you like a video without voiceover, and if you understand the whole process accompanied only by the music. So every now and then I can publish the video in this way, saving a lot of time for editing. So thanks for watching, see you next time, bye bye and be colorful!